everybody! I'm here today with a driving lesson on turning into a parking lot from a main road. In this video, I'll be showing you the basics of turning into a parking lot when you are driving on a main road. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now, I'm actually going to be making a few turns before I turn into the parking lot to show you how it's very similar to making regular turns while you're driving. So basically, the process for making any kind of turn is as follows. You want to signal, you want to check your rear view mirror, you want to check your side mirror on the side that you're turning towards, right or left, and then you obviously want to check your side blind spot on the side that you're turning towards, right or left. So basically, signal, rear view mirror, side blind spot. And then you're obviously going to make the turn. Now, it's very similar when you're turning into a parking lot. The main difference is that there are more things to worry about than with just a regular turn. I'll explain why. Basically, when you're turning into a parking lot, you then have to worry about the pedestrian traffic and the foot traffic in that parking lot. As opposed to the pedestrian traffic and foot traffic are the same thing. I don't know why I said that. The pedestrian traffic and the parking lot traffic and the spots of people going in various directions. So check this out. I've done my safety checks. I've signaled. Now I'm going to make this turn over here. And the difference is that I accelerated in that turn, but when I'm turning into a parking lot, I'm going to be slowing down. And when I turn into that parking lot, I'm going to immediately decide what I'm going to do and where I'm going to go. Okay, very simple and straightforward. So I'm going to go ahead, we're going to make a left turn over here. I'm just trying to not get stuck behind this bus over here. All right, so we're going to make a left turn. Let's let this person go and basically run the red light. Sure, why not? That's a great idea. Being very sarcastic there. So I'm driving. There's a parking lot up ahead. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna turn into it. So well in advance, I'm actually gonna be signaling right over here. So I'm signaling right, checking my rear view mirror, my right side mirror, my right blind spot. I'm good to go. I'm approaching the parking lot. I'm slowing down. I check my blind spot again. I turn into the parking lot, and now I immediately start scanning left to right, decide what I'm gonna do. This person's waiting for me. I'm gonna turn this way over here. I'm driving through the parking lot. You can see, you can't see behind the camera, but there's parked cars. This is actually one of the busiest parking lots. And I've chosen this one because I really wanted to show you what I'm doing. I'm constantly scanning. And I'm gonna turn over here and I'm gonna just pull over right over here. Very simple and straightforward. I'm gonna pull over. And that's basically, that is the basics of turning into a parking lot from a main road. Very simple and straightforward. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.